Highway 7 is part of the international E18 road and of the Nordic Triangle transport system. It is Finland's most important road link to the Nordic countries and to Europe and Russia. The E18 was built as a motorway from Turku to Helsinki and then east to Koskenkylä. There is also a motorway between Kotka and Hamina. Currently, the E18 road is being built as a motorway from Koskenkylä to Kotka and Hamina. Sections will be ready for traffic in 2014. The current highway from Hamina to Vaalimaa is narrow. Serious accidents, traffic noise and environmental hazards are common on a road congested by Finnish and Russian truck traffic. On the basis of the road plan, the motorway will be built mainly to the north of the existing highway. The project will connect to the Hamina bypass in the west and to the Vaalimaa border station in the east via a new roundabout. The motorway section is 33 kilometers long and includes 5 multi-level junctions. The current highway will remain as a parallel road. The road will be developed as a green motorway by taking account of environmental accessibility, ecology and quality road aesthetics, as well as balanced development of different modes of transport. The project will start in the west from the Lelu multi-level junction, the eastern access point for incoming traffic to Hamina. In the Lelu area, some protected flying squirrel habitats will be covered by the road systems. This disadvantage will be offset by the establishment of a nature reserve for flying squirrels at Miehikkälä. Between Lelu and Kattilainen, the motorway will run to the south of the existing road. One of the project's 3 eco-bridges intended for animals is situated to the east of Lelu. The motorway is located to the east of Kattilainen and 2 to 3 kilometers north of the current road in a forest area. The Kattilainen multi-level junction attaches the lower road network from the villages of Nopala and Klamila to the motorway. Road users will be served at Kattilainen with rest areas, including cafes, toilets and a service guide to the area. The motorway crosses 5 riverbeds. The bridges are spacious and pathways for people and animals will be made beneath them. Residential areas will be protected from traffic noise by sound-reducing rails and barriers. More than 7 kilometers of acoustic screening will be built. Beside the motorway, the groundwater area at the village of Haavisto will be protected from the effects of traffic by protective structures. There is a road link between the Saarasjärvi multi-level junction and the current highway, as well as private road access on the northern side of the motorway. 4 multi-level junctions will be supplied with raindrop roundabouts for turnings to improve safety. The motorway passes through the Salpa line, a valuable military history site. Damage to the cultural environment will be compensated by high-quality environmental construction, clearing forest areas and making the defensive structures more visible. There will be a parking area for tourists linked to the Salpa Trail. The exceptional trout stocks at Saarasjärven Oja will be protected from the effects of road construction and traffic. The landscape of the Virojoki River Valley opens up to motorists through transparent noise barriers on the long waterway bridge. The main connections from the multi-level junction at Virojoki are with the municipal centres of Virojoki and Miehikkälä. There will be a new access road for the Virojoki population centre, which will end at a roundabout to be built on the current highway. The motorway avoids the archaeologically valuable Stone Age village of Karpankangas in the Vaalimaa River Valley area, which is also a national protected landscape. The motorway crosses the Vaalimaanjoki River on a long bridge and descends into the approximately 250 meters long Rasa-Ahonmäki tunnel. The tunnel will save a significant and valuable cultural landscape and natural environment. An important road link to Lappeenranta leaves from Vaalimaa multi-level junction. This road will be improved for approximately 4 kilometers, as far as Murikkala logistics area. A 2-lane roundabout will be built at the terminal point of the motorway, with a connection to the border station and truck parking area, as well as towards the Virojoki population centre in the west. Passenger and freight traffic to and from the border station will be separated onto their own routes. A work of art has been proposed for the roundabout that will act as a gateway for the road from Russia to Finland. This will be subject to an international art competition. The road network has been designed in close collaboration with land use planning, taking into account the extensive trade clusters to be built at Vaalimaa. The current highway will remain as a parallel road, developed to meet the needs of residential areas and of bicycle and pedestrian traffic. Some 17 kilometers of lanes for bicycle and pedestrian traffic will be built, making use of safety lanes designed for parking trucks. The E18 road connection will be of a high aesthetic standard. The high quality of the road aesthetics will respect the scenery and characteristics of the area and form the first impression of Finland for inbound travellers. An original finish will appear, for example, in bridge structures, noise barriers, environmental lighting, and environmental works of art. Natural diversity will be increased. Slope ramps will be made suitable for xerothermic plants, thus providing a habitat for rare and threatened plant and butterfly species. Highway 7 is a smart road. Motorists will receive information about driving conditions, travel time, and traffic from updating guides and information boards. Speed limits will vary according to conditions. The new motorway will improve traffic flow and safety. It's estimated that on this road section, the number of fatal accidents will decrease by up to 80%, and the number of accidents involving personal injury by 60%. Population centres will be quieter, and the current road will serve residents. Increasing land use will bring new economic activity and jobs to municipalities in the area. 2 recreational properties will be lost to road construction. The land division fragmented by the motorway will be adjusted through reallocation of pieces of land. Road construction will begin in 2016 at the latest. The project will be carried out according to a life cycle model, which is a Finnish application of cooperation between the state and a private service provider. The contract includes financing, detailed design, construction and maintenance. The motorway will be opened to traffic in 2018.